Hi, it's Yvonne here, and I'm doing an unboxing video, a hobby from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to talk a little bit about a Cash App deal that just happened and tell you why you need to join Cash App really quickly, all in this video. And also, do you like my headband? It's so cute. It is by Happy Chick Beauty. She is on Instagram. Uh, So go follow her. Her name is Gina. Tell her Yvonne sent you. And yeah, she makes these really cute headbands. And she makes custom pieces too. So if you want that, definitely hit her up because she will do that. And yes. Okay. So if you don't follow me already, please do. I do Goodwill Outlet bin hauls. I go to the thrift stores, the yard sales, the garage sales, and I look for items that I can either resell or keep for myself. And I am on Poshmark. That is where I sell all the stuff that I have that I want to resell on there. It's on there. And I have handbags, accessories, shoes. Yeah, luxury designer. So go check me out. If you like anything, make an offer. I am at Odihita Girl on Poshmark. OREDITA on Poshmark. I'm also on Instagram under Luxury Handbag Cheapskate. So make sure you follow me on there if you don't already. And yeah, let's get started with the video. First off, I'm going to talk a little bit about Cash App, really quickly. If you're not already with Cash App, I'm sorry, I'm turning here. If you're not already with Cash App, you need to be with Cash App. I will link down below my username so you can use it as a referral if you'd like. I get money, but only once you make a purchase. But basically, you sign up with Cash App. They give you a Visa. You use that Visa using your own money, of course, because you put money from your account, your bank account, whatever, or debit card, whatever you have. You add money into that Visa. It's like a debit card. And then once you add money into it, you use it to shop. And you get great deals. They have a lot of Boost available. That's what they call them. They're called Boost. And they're like coupons, basically. So they give you like 10, 15% off, 20% off of certain shops or certain businesses, food, etc. And they do a lot of giveaways. Yeah, they recently had a good giveaway during Christmas. And they had, I did not know about this, but I do now. It has 99% off deals up to $50 at certain stores. They had North Face, Crocs, Crunchyroll, PacSun, and there was another one which I don't remember what it was called. They were really good. And recently, like yesterday, I missed out on the Crocs one. Okay, when they did it the first time, yeah, I know I was so upset about it, and they did it yesterday. They just dropped it and said, okay, so we're gonna run a contest on their Twitter page. Go follow Cash App on Twitter, follow them on Instagram. Get yourself in there. And they tweeted about it and they said they were going to do this contest and you could go sign up. And I was like, oh my God. So, of course, I went right away and I signed up. And I won 99% off. So, I was very excited. I went on there and I got 2 pairs of shoes for about $12. 2 pairs of Crocs. So, yeah, I'll do an unboxing when that comes and talk more about it. But go sign up for Cash App. Okay, let's get started with the haul video now. I went to Hobby Lobby and with a friend to do the after Christmas clearance, and we went like the 4th day, anyway. And this is what I got, and oh my God, I'm so sad right now because Betty White just passed away. I know, and I got these items before Betty White passed away today. It is New Year's Eve, if I didn't say already. That's why I'm wearing the festive hat. So if you hear booms, that is why. But look at this little tea towel I picked up. How cute. It's got all of the girls. Really cute. This was 40% off. It was part of the spring shop line. I'm sure they're going to fly off the shelf now. And this was $9.99. So it was 40% off of the $9.99. How cute. I'm going to put this on my table. And it's just going to be so cute. So I picked that up. And then I got this little cup because, hello, squad goals. Yes, love that. So I had to get that. This was only $2.99. I love this. Oh my God. So I had to grab that. Then I found this randomly in the clearance section. Again, 75% off, $14.99 originally. And it is this little pop socket koozie. It was $3.24. And oh my God, I just got a little like sleeve one of these at the bin, and it has been my favorite thing to use for my coffee. Like if I don't have a coffee mug that has the handle, this has been my best friend because I am able to carry my coffee, hold my coffee, and not have the risk of dropping it. Yeah, as a girl with RA, it is very hard sometimes to be holding coffee, especially if it's hot, the mug. So this is great, and I love it. Look, I just grip it, and yeah, no. So this is great. If you ever get one of those on sale, I would recommend you buy it. Okay, now this stuff that I picked up was like, oh my gosh, because I wanted this sign before. So when I saw it there and it was 50% off, I said, okay, I'm going to get it because they're probably going to run out soon. And this is a Hobby Lobby exclusive. This was originally $40, and it is the Welcome Friends letterboard. I did like a coffee bar theme in my room with a little shelf, really, with my coffee and stuff. So this is going to go up there. I just think it's so cute. I like that it's a letterboard because I can put whatever I want on it. And yeah, the letters over here in the back. Love that. So I picked it up. And then I went to the other areas of the store, and I looked around and looked at everything. And then I stumbled upon these little signs, and I had wanted this one. And I saw it there, and I was like, oh my gosh. And it was originally $12.99, and it was $3.24. All of these had these little clearance stickers just like that. No more clearance on the shelf or anything. And I was like, oh my gosh. And I had wanted this one because it says good morning. It's got the pajamas, the little glasses. I wear glasses. The head clock. The little kitty with the newspaper. So cute. The coffee and the little breakfast. Oh my God. So cute. So I picked that one up. And then I also picked up this one because when I saw it, I was like, okay, this is also coming home with me. And it says, may your heart and your closet be full. Again, $3.24. What? I was like, oh my God. Because these were all, like I said, they were unmarked. So I was very excited to pick those up. And then this one was the only one that I saw at my store. And so, of course, I grabbed it. This one was originally $24.99. I don't know if they have it online, but it's from the Hear Me Roar collection, and it says, need money for Chanel. Yeah, and the hand on the girl has like Chanel jewelry, and it's like kind of raised. I don't know if you can see that. It's so cool. Kind of like a picket sign when you're protesting, but this is for Chanel. This is even better. Yeah, even better, even better. I may not ever have Chanel in my closet, but you know, you never know. But I just like it. So I picked that up as well because, hello, I needed that as well in my closet. And so I'm glad I found those at a really, really good price. Okay, so now moving on to the unboxing. I do get a lot of samples in the mail. I do. If you want to know where I get them from, I will link down below who I follow. I follow Lisa Loves Freebies on Instagram, on Twitter, and I also follow the Freebie Guy. And I follow Heavenly Free Steals also on Instagram and on Twitter, and also on Facebook. And the Freebie Guy, he's on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. He's on everything. So go check him out. But that's how I find out about all these samples, and that's how I get all these samples. And a lot of them, believe it or not, are ads. So if you sign up for samples like I do, or just in general, you might get ads. Always look at your ads on Facebook. I know they're annoying, but always look at them, because the majority of the time, these ads will pop up either on Instagram or on your Facebook, and that is what they are. They're free samples, so keep an eye out for those. Here's one item. I don't know what this is, so let's go ahead and open it. Let's see what I got, and then I will tell you whether I remember where it's from or not, but here it is. It's in this little envelope, padded envelope here. Ooh, okay, yes, I remember what this was. This was for National Maybelline Day. They had National Maybelline Day. And on National Maybelline Day, they send you out this deal where you can get a free product. Yeah, free product. Free, totally free. And so I signed up, and I actually could select what I wanted. They have like a couple of things you could select. And I got this Maybelline Lifter Gloss. It is a hyaluronic acid gloss. Look at that. Oh my God. Brand new. Yes, full size. So if you're not signed up for things like this, like I tell you, sign up. Go sign up right now. Yeah, because that is awesome. Okay, and then I got one of these. This is the Skin Essentials item. I always sign up for these. And then I know I should probably keep them because we ain't getting any younger. But I did not. I give them away all the time to my mom. And then she gets them. And she likes them. So there's that. This is a triple lipid restore anti-aging treatment formulated with maximized concentrations of restorative lipids, ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. Yada yada. Apply twice daily to the neck, face, and the chest. And there it is. Oh, that fell. But there it was. Just a little sample thingy. That'll go to my mom. And then there's another little box here of something. Oh, this I had already opened, but I hadn't seen what was in there. So let's go in here. Okay, this is a little mini sample of perfume. I always get these. They always come out for me, so I sign up for them. And this was from Scent Stories, Volume 3, Chapter 2. Born in New York City. All the Parfum. I don't know exactly who makes this, but it's a perfume. Here you go. I'll show you the little box. I don't know if it's a man or a woman, but it's just a little sample of a perfume. And it says, Men, New York, Scent Stories, Volume 3, Chapter 2, All the Perfume, Astronomy Domain. I don't know if it's men's or women's, but I'll figure it out, and then we'll see. Okay, Lancome. I also got something from Lancome. So let's see what I got from Lancome. Let me just open it up here. This is probably perfume as well or something. Okay, let's see what I get. All right, this is what I got. This is the Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Face Serum. Again, something going to my mom. Look at that. How cool, right? Yeah, Lancome. I always get these Lancome freebies too, and I always give them to my mom, and she likes them. So, yeah, another one. I know a lot of people rave about this, so I guess it must be good. But I have already written all that kind of good stuff that I was taking before, so I don't need any of it. Okay, this is the Little Freebies box, and I wasn't sure if I was going to get this, but it came out for me again in one of those Facebook ads, so I quickly snapped it up. And this is from Bloomingdale's. We don't have a Bloomingdale's here, so why it came out for me, I don't know. If you heard fireworks, yes, those are fireworks. But here it is, and let's see what's inside, because it was kind of like you could hear a lot of rumpus. And this little, okay, there you go. Ooh, okay, let's see. Ooh, let's see. This is something that looks nice. Okay, this is the Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, alcohol free, made with whole flowers and pure extracts for a normal to oily skin type. Wow, that's a pretty nice sample. Look at that. I like that. I would definitely be using that. Okay, so I got that, and I got the Clear the Power Beauty. What is it? Clear the Power Beauty micellar cleansing water. I like the micellar cleansing waters for removing my makeup, so this is right up my alley as well. So, sorry, Mom. And it says your skincare starter kit. Here you go. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, and repeat for your best complexion yet. So here it is. Oh, this is nice. Again, pay attention to your Facebook ads. Yeah, that's how I got this. This is the Clear Power Beauty cream. It's a cream. Yeah, I don't know. It's a cream. Just a little sample, but still perfect. Oh, another one. Oh, this is a nice little sample. What is this? Oh, Charlotte Tilbury. I don't have anything Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, this is great. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. Again, I don't have anything Charlotte Tilbury. And this is a really nice little box. Look at that. Let me show you the box before I unbox it. But look at that. Oh, nice. Really, 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 really nice. There you go. And let me go ahead and unbox it. That's the last thing in the little box here. So Let's see. Ooh, this is nice. Nice little sample jar too. Perfect also for, oh, my purse fell. Perfect also for on the go if you want to like refill it, maybe clean it, refill it with other lotions that you might want to travel with. This is perfect. I love this. Look at how pretty that packaging is. Yes. And it is, here it is, let me show you. Beautiful. Well, that's exciting. I'm excited for that. Oh, I love that. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just wanted to come on and wish everybody a Happy New Year's Eve, a Happy New Year's Day, if you're watching this on New Year's Day or after. I hope all of your goals and things that you have planned for New Year's, that they come out. I hope the best for everybody that watches me, and thank you for watching me. I just love making videos on YouTube. It is just something I always wanted to do. So anybody that watches me, I always feel honored because I'm like, you took the time out of your day to watch me. So thank you for that. And Happy New Year. Happy New Year's Eve. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Bye.